So good afternoon. On the previous sections, we have already discussed about the how the water parameters have been, what are the sources and what are the types of water qualities, and how the water qualities have been checking for the substance. And next we are going to see how the water quality parameters for using for the sources of the significance and their uses, and what are the applications in the elements present in the water sources. So first one is chlorides. The chloride are present in the water sources. Source of chlorine is a form of mineral deposits, domestic wastewater discharge, industrial wastewater, irrigation drainage, human excreta urine contains chloride. Significance: undesirable taste, contributes to hardness in industrial waters, deposits boiler corrosions, and increases above the normal chloride level in an index of pollution by domestic wastewater. And that iron from soil, rock and plant matter, from pipe, from coagulants. Significance: stain plumbing figures and cloths, growth of iron bacteria in pipeline, red water complaints, corrosion of pipeline, taste and odor problems. So these are the types which have been uses. And the next one is a sulfate. Sulfate, which is occur in the form of water as a solvent action of water on gypsum and other salts. Decomposition of organic matters, industrial wastewaters, that is atmospheric SO2, that is acid rain. And the significance is electroactive effects, that is effect which have been shown in this form of the water, like is a color solution, that is electroactive effects. And the taste is scale in boilers, that is hardness by using in the boilers for hardness. Total dissolved salts, that is TDS. TDS is nothing but it represents mainly inorganic substance. So total dissolved solid. Principal constituents are bicarbonates, chloride and sulfates of calcium, magnesium and sodium. There is generally an increase of hardness with TDS. So this is the increases process of municipal wastewater, and the significance which has taste, lactic effect, induction of hardness, waters with high TDS, non-desirable for industries. And next one is nitrogen. Nitrogen is important to all life. Nitrogen in the atmosphere or in the soil can go through many complex chemicals and biological changes. Nitrogen occurs in natural water in various forms, including nitrate or sodium NO3, nitrate or NO2, and ammonia or NH3. Nitrate is the most common form tested. Ammonia is the least stable form of nitrogen and thus difficult to measure accurately. Nitrate is less stable and usually present in much lower amount than nitrate. And the last, the three components are integrated through the process of nitrifications. The biological oxidations of ammonia to nitrate. In this process, the nitrate is produced as an intermediate product. Order of decreasing of oxidation state. Whenever the oxidation state decreases, the nitrate it forms to nitrate and forms to ammonia and again forms to as an organic nitrogens, which is it is in the stable form, and the organic nitrogen it is in the unstable forms. The water used for domestic and industrial purpose should be free from toxic substance and pathogenic bacteria. So whenever the bacteria forms, it has a more sufficient then. Next, the dissolved oxygen. Surface water of good quality should be saturated with dissolved oxygen. The optimum dissolved oxygen in natural water is 4 to 6 ppm, which is essential for supporting aquatic life. A fall in dissolved oxygen level indicates that a water body is polluted with organic matter. The basic Winkel's method is used to determine the dissolved oxygen. So this is the process of dissolved oxygen in the water sample. Next one, there is biological oxygen demand, that is BOD. Biological oxygen demand is defined as the quality of the quantity of oxygen required by bacteria for the oxidation of organic matter present in the water under aerobic conditions at 20 degrees Celsius for 5 days. Biodegradable oxygen demanding waste, carbohydrates, fat, protein, etc. present in water remove large amount of dissolved oxygen in water. This causes death or decay of aquatic organisms. Next one is the chemical oxygen demand, that is COD. COD is defined as the amount of oxygen required for the oxidation of organic matters as well as dissolvable inorganic matter. So this is the formations, how the water quality parameters have been checking by using these types of sources. Overall, the water quality parameters have been checked by using these types of formations. Thank you.